rest. The best recipe to a healthy lifestyle is keeping an active mind, a strong body, and taking enough rest. Not sleeping enough can be life-threatening, with research showing that it increases the risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, obesity, and depression. So, make sure you sleep your full 6 to 7 hours a night. However, not being able to rest the mind can lead to similarly serious health issues. Our brains too, not only our bodies, need to disconnect. There must be a time when we reflect beyond our day-to-day tasks and struggles. A time is needed when we look beyond the nitty-gritty duties of running our own projects, of meeting deadlines, of achieving financial success. If you truly want to upgrade your lifestyle, then you need more than just an active mind, a strong body, and enough rest. You will need to contemplate on what your place on earth is, what your full potential as a human being is, what actually lies beyond the physical world around us. Spend your day of rest considering how you can become more than what you are. Can it be done through a process of self-actualization, your belief in God, or your embrace of spirituality? Whatever it is, choose to withdraw yourself from your usual routine at least once a week and consider pondering on the larger picture. What that picture is rests entirely with you to decide. Some people go to church, others go to the temple, others go to meditation retreats, others might simply stay at home and choose to have a day completely free of worries. Remember, an upgraded lifestyle means a combination of several factors: physical health plus mental health plus business routine plus spiritual health equals upgraded lifestyle. If one factor is missing from this equation, then the balance will tip. For example, you're rich but unhealthy. You're healthy but financially unstable. You've reached fame but you're going mad. You found God but you live in the gutter. Nobody wants to be in any of these situations. We all want a balanced life, an upgraded lifestyle. Until next time, this is Vojko Michnia signing off from Beijing. Ciao.